What is up, my friends? Welcome back to your average gent. My name is Evan. You know, I do believe that style, it is subjective and you can wear whatever you want and freely express yourself. That being said, based on how you dress, others will make certain assumptions of you. So what you wear is actually very important if you want to make a good first impression. So in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you the 10 ways that you might be dressing wrong and how to fix it. If that sounds interesting, let's begin. Number 1 is shirt collars outside the jacket. When you are wearing a suit jacket or blazer, the collar of your shirt should be tucked into the collar of your jacket at all times. If it lies outside, it will just make you look sloppy. To make sure that your shirt collar stays upright at all times, a trick is to ask your tailor to sew a hidden button underneath your shirt collar just like this. Going on to number 2 is buttoning your bottom button on your suit jacket. The bottom button of a suit jacket or blazer is not meant to be buttoned at all times. This is because suit designers often design the suit jacket or the blazer in a way that it is more flattering when it's unbuttoned at the bottom. Why, you may ask? Well, legend has it that King Edward VII from the 1900s, he got so fat for his waistcoat, so he stopped buttoning his bottom button to make it fit better. Out of respect for him, the British court and eventually everyone in England and the British colonies stopped buttoning the bottom buttons as well. Whether it is true or not, it has become a style rule to always keep the bottom button unbuttoned. Going on to number 3 is to wear your dress shirt untucked. As a general rule of thumb, if the shirt is too long that it covers your crotch, then it is a dress shirt and it is meant to be tucked in. Plus, tucking your shirt in makes your legs look longer and it makes you look taller. And who doesn't want that? Number 4 is muffin tops, which is the result of not tucking in your dress shirt properly. An easy way to fix it is to use the military tuck. All you need to do is to pinch the extra fabric at the side of the dress shirt and fold it backwards. And this will instantly give your dress shirt a more tailored look. But of course, the best way and the more permanent way is to bring your dress shirt to a tailor to take in those extra fabrics to fit you more properly. On to number 5, which is ties that are too long or too short. The length of your tie should end right around the top of your pants. It should cover the entire placket of your shirt, but it shouldn't go too far below the top of your pants unless you want to draw attention to your crotch. Moving on to number 6, and that is matching your tie with your pocket square. For this, it just makes you look like you lack creativity. Ties and pocket squares, they are accessories. So it's really the place where you can go bold, be creative, and express yourself. If you don't know which color or pattern to choose for your pocket square, you can always go with a plain white pocket square, timeless and classic. Number 7, let's go with something more casual. Number 7 is wearing sunglasses indoors. This really triggers me. I mean, they're called sunglasses, meant to protect your eyes from the sun. When you wear them indoors, it just makes you look like a tryhard and a D-bag. So next time when you walk into a building, you have 3 seconds, okay? 3 seconds to take off your sunglasses. 1, 2, take it off. Going on to number 8, which is wearing pants that are just too long. The only time you want your pants to be too long is when you're wearing an ugly pair of shoes or sandals, which should never happen in the first place. The deal is always wear a sick pair of shoes. All your shoes should look mwah. So when you are wearing your shoes, your pants should never cover them. If your pants are too long and covering your shoes, you should get them hemmed, or you can cuff your pants or do the pinroll, which will give your pants a more tapered look. I made a video on how to cuff your pants and how to do the pinroll. I'll link it down in the description below. It got like 500,000 views, so check it out. Going on to number 9, which is dressing sloppily. This includes wearing super baggy clothes, pajamas, or dirty clothes when you go out. The deal is you never know if you're gonna meet your special someone who could become your boyfriend, girlfriend, or your business partner. So you always want to put your best foot forward, make the best first impression. When I see a person who dresses sloppily, I just automatically wonder if the person has given up on life. Last but not least, number 10, which is to stick to one style. Whether it is always casual like t-shirt, shorts and sneakers, or always formal like dress shirt and blazers. Don't get me wrong, there's nothing inherently wrong with that. It is not breaking any style rules. It is just that we should all step outside of our comfort zone once in a while, have a range of different style of clothes and shoes in your closet. This way you will never look boring. Today you're wearing t-shirt, shorts and sneakers. Tomorrow you're wearing t-shirt, jeans and boots. The possibilities are endless. So I want to encourage all of you to step outside of your comfort zone and try something that you would normally never wear. And sometimes you might just find yourself falling in love with another style. Dang boots, where have you been my entire life? And there you go, 10 ways that you might be dressing wrong. If you have anything that you want to add to this list, make sure to leave me a comment. And that is it for this week's video. If you have made it all the way to the end of the video, what are you waiting for? Smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and as always, I will see you guys next week.